Welcome to a journey that will change the way you see wealth. Here's a startling fact. Less than 5% of the world's population holds over 60% of its total wealth. This massive gap isn't just about money. It's about the mindsets and strategies that few know and even fewer apply. In this series, we're diving deep into the secrets that set the wealthy apart. It's not a tale of overnight success or flashy investments. Instead, we're exploring the everyday habits, attitudes, and decisions that pave the way to financial freedom. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to attract success like a magnet, while others struggle despite their efforts? Are you curious about the habits that can turn an ordinary income into extraordinary wealth? Get ready for a ride that goes beyond numbers and charts. This is about reshaping your approach to money, life, and success. Prepare to open your mind, challenge your habits, and step onto the unseen path to wealth. Chapter 1. The Power of Positive Thinking. And hey there, let's dive right into the world of positive thinking. Did you know that a study by the University of North Carolina found that positive thinkers were more likely to solve problems effectively? That's right. Positive thinking isn't just about feeling good. It's about tackling life's challenges head-on. Here's a cool fact. Walt Disney once said, "If you can dream it, you can do it." This mindset is all about seeing the glass as half full. When you focus on solutions, not problems, you're like a magnet for opportunities. It's not about ignoring difficulties. It's about facing them with a can-do attitude. Remember, positive thinking is a choice. Each morning, decide to look for the good in every situation. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, everything becomes clearer. Chapter 2. The Art of Self-Discipline. Moving on to self-discipline. Did you know that, according to a survey by Bankrate, only 41% of Americans follow a budget? That's surprising, isn't it? Budgeting is a cornerstone of self-discipline. It's like a roadmap for your finances. Self-discipline is not just about cutting costs, it's about making smart choices. For instance, Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals, still lives in a modest home he bought in 1958. That's a prime example of living within your means. Investing is another key aspect. Start small if you need to. The magic of compound interest means even tiny amounts can grow significantly over time. It's not about how much you invest, it's about starting and staying consistent. Remember, self-discipline is like a muscle. The more you exercise it, the stronger it gets. Start with small habits and watch them transform your financial life. Chapter 3. Embracing Risk-Taking. Now let's talk about risk-taking. Did you know that Jeff Bezos started Amazon by taking a huge risk, leaving a secure job? Today, Amazon is a household name, but it began as a risky venture in a garage. Risk-taking doesn't mean being reckless. It's about calculated risks. For every success story, there's research, planning, and a backup plan. It's like planting a seed. You don't know for sure if it will grow, but you water it, give it sunlight, and hope for the best. Remember, the biggest risk is not taking any risk. As Mark Zuckerberg said, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. So, don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. That's where growth happens. Chapter 4. The Journey of Continuous Learning. Welcome to the exciting journey of continuous learning. Did you know that Bill Gates reads about 50 books a year? That's a book a week. This habit keeps his mind sharp and open to new ideas. Learning is a lifelong adventure, and it doesn't have to be boring. Think about this. Every book, podcast, or seminar is a chance to discover something that could change your life. In today's world, where information is at our fingertips, there's no excuse not to learn. It's like having a superpower. And it's not just about formal education. Learning can be as simple as reading articles, watching documentaries, or even chatting with successful people. Each of these is a step towards a wealthier you. Chapter 5. Valuing Time as a Treasure. Now let's talk about the value of time. Here's a fun fact. Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX and Tesla, breaks his day into 5-minute slots. He knows every minute counts. Time is the one resource we can't get more of, so using it wisely is crucial. Time management is key. Prioritizing tasks, setting goals, and eliminating distractions can make a huge difference. It's like having a map for your day. Without it, you're just wandering around. Think about how you spend your time. Are you focusing on tasks that move you towards your goals? Remember, time spent learning, planning, and executing is an investment in your future. Chapter 6. Entrepreneurial Thinking. Seeing opportunities everywhere. Welcome to the world of entrepreneurial thinking. Did you know that many of the products we use daily were born from someone's imagination and hustle? Like Steve Jobs once said, Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Being entrepreneurial means being on the lookout for opportunities. It's about thinking, what can I create? Or how can I make this better? It's seeing a need and filling it. Don't be afraid to start small. Many big businesses began as side projects or hobbies. The key is to start. You don't have to have it all figured out from the beginning. Chapter 7. The Joy of Gratitude. Gratitude, my friends, is more powerful than you might think. Did you know a study in the Journal of Applied Sports Psychology found that gratitude increased athletes' self-esteem, an essential ingredient for success? It's true for us too. Being grateful for what we have sets a foundation for achieving more. Every day, take a moment to appreciate what you've got. It could be as simple as a roof over your head or a good cup of coffee. This mindset shift is like planting seeds of positivity that grow over time. Remember, gratitude isn't about ignoring your ambitions. It's about recognizing your journey and the tools you have. It's a balance, like walking a tightrope with confidence. Chapter 8. Focusing on the long-term vision. Long-term vision is where the magic happens. Jeff Bezos, when he started Amazon, was thinking decades ahead. Did you know Amazon wasn't profitable for years? Bezos was playing the long game, and look at Amazon now. Think of your goals like a marathon, not a sprint. Quick wins might feel good, but they're not always sustainable. It's about setting a course and staying true to it, even when things get tough. Ask yourself, where do I want to be in 10 years? Then work backward to create a roadmap. It's like navigating by the stars. They guide you through the night towards your destination. Chapter 9. Mastering the skill of delegating. Delegating is a skill, and it's crucial for growth. Did you know that according to a Gallup study, CEOs who delegate can generate 33% more revenue? That's huge. It shows that letting go of certain tasks can actually benefit your business. Think of it this way: your time is valuable. By delegating, you free up time to focus on what you do best. It's like being the conductor of an orchestra. You don't have to play every instrument, you just need to ensure they all play in harmony. Start small. Delegate tasks that are time-consuming, but don't require your unique skills. Trust your team or find people you can trust. It's about building a machine where all parts work together smoothly. Chapter 10. Finding balance. The true wealth. Balance is the key to true wealth. It's not just about your bank account, it's about a rich life in all aspects. Think about Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest men, yet he values simple pleasures and strong relationships. That's balance. Striking a balance between work and life is crucial. Overworking might bring financial gains, but at what cost? Remember, health and relationships are wealth too. It's like juggling. You need to keep all balls in the air. Set aside time for family, hobbies, and rest. It's not just about recharging your batteries. It's about enjoying the fruits of your labor. Wealth is, after all, a means to an end, not the end itself. Chapter 11. Philanthropy. The responsibility of wealth. Philanthropy is an integral part of wealth. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett pledged to give away most of their fortunes through the Giving Pledge. It's not just about money. It's about making a positive impact. Giving back doesn't always mean huge sums of money. You can volunteer your time, share your knowledge, or help someone in need. It's about using your success to make the world a little better. Remember, wealth comes with responsibility. It's like being a caretaker of resources that can benefit others. Philanthropy enriches your soul and brings a sense of fulfillment that money alone cannot. Chapter 12. The importance of self-reflection. Self-reflection is a powerful tool for growth. Did you know that according to Harvard Business Review, regular reflection leads to better decision-making and leadership? It's about looking inward to improve outwardly. Take time to reflect on your decisions and actions. What worked? What didn't? It's like reviewing a game tape. You learn from your mistakes and victories. Set aside quiet time for reflection. It could be through journaling, meditation, or simply thinking while walking. This practice helps you stay aligned with your values and goals.